Lexus is making waves in the world of electric vehicles with the 2026 RZ, bringing exciting new features that elevate both the driving experience and technological sophistication. Among the most anticipated innovations in the updated RZ is the introduction of steer-by-wire technology, a feature that has been in development for several years. Instead of the traditional mechanical link between the steering wheel and the wheels, the 2026 Lexus RZ will utilize a complete steer-by-wire system paired with a yoke steering wheel. This marks a significant step in automotive technology, making the driving experience smoother and more futuristic. Lexus has taken its time perfecting the steer-by-wire system, ensuring it provides a more refined and engaging experience for drivers. The system offers variable steering ratios, meaning the steering response can change depending on driving conditions, providing greater precision at high speeds and more ease when maneuvering at low speeds. The absence of a physical connection between the yoke and the front wheels also means that the system is lighter, reducing the vehicle's overall weight, which can improve performance and efficiency. However, Lexus hasn't stopped there. To further enhance the driving feel, the 2026 RZ will also debut with simulated gear shifts. Drawing inspiration from brands like Hyundai and Kia, Lexus has introduced the interactive manual drive system. This technology allows drivers to experience simulated gear shifts and engine sounds, creating a sportier, more connected feeling behind the wheel. For those who love the tactile sensations of traditional gear changes, this feature promises to bring a more engaging and dynamic experience. The 2026 Lexus RZ comes in a range of variants, each offering unique specifications to cater to different driving preferences. The base model, the RZ 350e, is powered by a single electric motor that generates 224 horsepower and 198 lb-ft of torque. With a 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the RZ 350e offers an impressive driving range of up to 357 miles, making it perfect for long trips or daily commuting. This model is expected to offer a smooth, efficient ride, with the added bonus of cutting-edge technology like steer-by-wire. For those seeking more performance, Lexus offers two more variants of the RZ. The RZ 500e, with its dual-motor setup, delivers 375 horsepower and accelerates to 62 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. This version provides a balance of power and efficiency with an estimated range of 311 miles. For the performance enthusiast, the RZ 550e Sport takes things up a notch. It generates 402 horsepower and rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a quick 4.4 seconds, although the range drops to 280 miles due to the increased power output. The addition of steer-by-wire and simulated gears is more than just a technological showcase. It's a move that aligns with Lexus's vision of offering a premium driving experience that is both high-tech and engaging. With these innovations, Lexus is clearly focused on redefining what it means to drive an electric vehicle, combining futuristic features with a sporty, responsive feel. Though pricing details for the 2026 Lexus RZ have not been confirmed for all markets, the U.S. model should be revealed soon, and enthusiasts are already eagerly awaiting the chance to experience these groundbreaking technologies in person. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow, Lexus is positioning itself as a leader in performance, luxury, and innovation with the 2026 RZ. The combination of steer-by-wire, simulated gears, and high-performance electric drivetrains makes the 2026 RZ a standout in the evolving EV landscape.